and welcome to everyone this morning. Advanced manufacturing sector, I'm pleased to present a brief overview of our priorities and our focus. Particularly in no order focus based on the retention and support of our existing manufacturer, which is the most important thing in my mind. Four of the townships that we represent we call it the power of four, I think we have a tremendous opportunity here, and we have a great area where indeed we can bring more than just people working here. We offer a great lifestyle, and that's obviously one of the things that we have to promote. Just a few statistics that I'd like to bring to your attention. Manufacturing in Canada, especially in the automotive, and I'm not picking just the automotive, but in the automotive and aerospace, is a very important part of our economy. 11% of the Canadian GDP and 10% of the Canadian employment in Canada is from the manufacturing sector. Ontario obviously is first and foremost in the auto sector and is number one in contributing to the Canadian manufacturing GDP. I don't know if you realize, but here in Ontario, we have 13 auto plants, OEM facilities, that are world-class facilities. We have over 700 parts manufacturing plants that supply Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers to the auto industry. Auto manufacturing makes up 9.6% of the overall manufacturing GDP of the province and 7.7% of the manufacturing employment. Going to North Simcoe, advanced manufacturing is a large sector of our economy here as well. Direct jobs amounts to 3,665 direct jobs are directed from manufacturing, 8 of which are Simcoe's 2015 top 100 employers. There are 104 manufacturers in North Simcoe, 59 of which are fabricators, metal fabricators, fabricators of metal products, machinery and tool and die, transportation and equipment, furniture, and plastic and rubber. Our long-term goal, business plan, is to focus our needs on the advanced manufacturing and to bring more business into the area, but to support the existing industries that we have. The business plan focus for 2020 is to double the amount of employment that we have in this sector. The Wye Valley Business Park has a total of 340,000 square feet of incubation or of innovation hub that we are trying to develop. Advanced manufacturing focus on automotive and high-tech cluster is where we really want to develop. Complementing existing industries and helping them out and develop a stronger inventory of available land and buildings, and have a business-friendly, investment-ready climate towards our existing future manufacturers and present manufacturers. To support the existing manufacturer, fund sourcing is one of our main goals, promoting attendance in marketing events, supported by Simcoe County, provincial, and federal government. Canadian Manufacturing Technology Show, put it down on your notes, September the 28th to October the 1st, which is going to feature manufacturing, the future of manufacturing in North Simcoe. There's already an 8,000 attendance that's been set, that's been pre-registered. Put it down in your notes. Activities that we pursue in new business through network. We're going to pursue Industry Canada abroad, diplomat station in the GTA or diplomats that are stationed in Ontario and in Ottawa, and federal and provincial ministry is going to be one of our targets. We talk about raw material. In the industry today, if you look at especially the automotive and the aerospace industry, it's all done just in time pretty well. So we look at different tiers of parts manufactured that either manufacture a specific part or manufacture a part and buy other parts from other tier 2 suppliers and then put them together and ship them to the OEMs, whether it be automotive or general manufacturing. This is all done with material, raw material today that's basically steel, aluminum, plastics, some man-made fibers. And then obviously that's transferred into parts which are used in the industry. We're looking at furthering this purpose and looking at what we talked about, or that Paul talked about, is looking at the fiber, the hemp fiber production. Hemp fibers are obviously lighter, they've got more strength to them, and obviously very reasonably priced compared to the natural or the custom-made fibers. The work that it offers to our community is it starts at the planting, obviously, by the farmer, and it transforms into many different areas, such as it employs farmers, obviously, more farmers. That if we go into hemp, where there's a lot of land that's laying vacant and would be converted into hemp, and then obviously create job in storage, transportation, create jobs in manufacturing, producing customized hemp mat, which would have to be customized for the different industry. A good example of that is Weber with their door manufacturing. Presently, the fibers are man-made fibers. So hemp fiber are in great demands due to its light weight, its strength, and its cost and efficiency. There are approximately, in Canada today, there's approximately 127,000 acres that are in hemp, mostly in Western Canada, and obviously we'd be looking at bringing that to Ontario. 1 acre of hemp produces between 3 to 5 tons of fiber, and therefore would make fiber very, very cost efficient. And basically that's what we're looking at. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming to this conference. I hope that you've learned something from it. Thank you.